Hey everybody, welcome to the ROI Hacks channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link a Pinterest account to a Facebook business page. This can be really useful to drive people to your Pinterest account so they can follow your brand or business there as well. This video is based on my written tutorial on roihacks.com on how to add a Pinterest link to your Facebook page. You can check out the link to the article in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach, without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website, roihacks.com, since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. So it's actually really easy to add the Pinterest link to your Facebook page. All you have to do is open the Facebook page, scroll down on the home page to the About section, and here click on Edit Page Info. And in this window, click on this More tab here and scroll down. And you can see the Other Accounts tab here. As you can see, I have already added a test account, but first you have to select the type of social account you want to add. As you can see, you can add Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and basically every kind of social media account you have. In this case, we would add Pinterest and add the name of the account. And basically that's it. We can close this window and the account will be a link to your Facebook page. If you have a new Facebook page, so you've been switched to the so-called new Facebook page experience, the process is a little bit different. Let me show how this is done in a new Facebook page. So open up a Facebook page that is a new Facebook page experience. Then click on this Edit Details here and scroll down to Social Links and click on this pencil icon here and click on Add a Social Link. And then you can select the Pinterest account here. So scroll down and Pinterest and add the username here and click on Save. And it will be added to the Facebook page. One more thing to keep in mind, that you have to be a Facebook page admin to be able to add Pinterest or any kind of social media link to your Facebook page. So if you are only a moderator or you don't have Facebook access for new Facebook pages, then you won't be able to add these social media buttons. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below or search on Google for roihacks.com and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.